Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are making chicken spinach tortilla cups, a perfect blend of creamy cheese, tender chicken and flavorful spinach all packed into a crispy tortilla cup. This easy and delicious recipe will amaze you. So let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 500 grams of cubed chicken breast and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is tender and fully cooked. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add half cup of chopped onion and saute until translucent. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Moroccan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy updates. Add 100 grams of chopped spinach. Mix well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until softened. Return the cooked chicken to the pan and combine everything. Add half cup of cream cheese and half cup of cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese melts completely, creating a creamy, flavorful mixture. Turn off the heat and set aside. Take tortilla breads and cut them into circles using a round cutter. This mixture will be enough to make 10 to 12 cups. Grease a cupcake mold with oil to prevent sticking. Place each tortilla round into the mold, pressing gently to form a cup shape. Fill each tortilla cup with the chicken spinach mixture. Bake at 180 Celsius with bottom heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn on the upper heating element and bake for another 5 minutes. And there you have it, delicious, creamy and crispy spinach tortilla cups ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Moroccan Kitchen. Happy cooking and see you next time.